ordered off of eBay for $22, came in. So let's go ahead and unbox or unbag her and see what we've got. So I do expect her to be quite a bit of work. Okay, cool. She's in a nice little protective package here. I was afraid I was going to cut her hair or something. Which, of course, her hair had already been a little cut, but all right. Oh, that's cool. Oh, let's see. She might be a little bit more brown than I expected, which is fine. I felt like I already had a lot of brown dolls. Okay, so she is a brown doll. I thought she was a little lighter, but that'll be fine. I actually have some really cute colors of wigs and eyes that will do. So here she is. Pretty much, well, exactly as pictured. I mean, really exactly as pictured. As we know, sometimes cameras don't always show the tone of the mold that well. All right, so she does have some glitter polish down here, and let me zoom in a bit. So I'm trying to do this and I can't see my camera all that well. So she does have some glitter polish down here on her toes. That'll be fun to get off, a couple scrapes. Her hair is actually really nice. Her hair feels really good. It just has this, you know, little awesome haircut done to it. But otherwise her hair looks really good. But I will be taking her hair off. She does have some nail polish in her hair, as was stated on the video, or on the ad on eBay. She's got a little mark over here. Her eyes are in really poor condition, like I expected. So the paint's scratched off. These actually don't even really look like her original eyes. They're a little bit different colored, and her eyelashes have been cut. All right. So her little outfit here, let's just kind of see what, oh goodness, okay. Okay, so right now you can't see on camera, but I'm kind of smelling her because she feels damp. Ew. She doesn't smell bad, but she is wet, and she didn't come when it was raining out, so little damp. Ugh. I should have had a little bit more information about that, but that's my fault for not messaging the seller. Overall, I think we're good. I realized you could not see her whole body in that last part of my video, so it looks kind of odd. I am still going to keep that because I think what I'm explaining is important, and I'm probably going to do new stuffing for her too. But anyhow, there are some marks also on the bottom of her feet here. But yeah, so definitely gonna restuff her and all that good stuff. Again, in the comments below, if you will please write what you would like to see done first. Her hair, her eyes, her redoing her body, or cleaning her limbs, and we'll go from there. So I hope that you will hit the notification bell so you can get notifications on the updates as we go and restore this doll. I'm really excited to restore her, and I hope you are too. Again, thanks for joining me today, and please like and subscribe below. Maybe we could get some ideas for some names for her too. I don't normally name my dolls if they don't come with one, but go ahead and leave some suggestions below. Thank you.